Hello everyone! Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. Today, we're going to learn how to write a strong and professional chef job application letter. If you're a chef looking to work in a restaurant, hotel, or catering service, your application letter is the first impression you'll make. And just like a great dish, it needs to be well prepared, carefully structured, and full of flavor. In this video, I'll walk you through each section of the letter, explaining what to write, why it matters, and how to make your application stand out. Whether you're an experienced chef or just starting in the culinary industry, this guide will help you craft a persuasive and professional letter. So let's get started. Step 1. Your contact information. At the very top of your letter, you need to include your personal details so the employer can contact you easily. Here's how it looks in our sample. James Reynolds, 4528 Birchwood Lane, Austin, Texas, 78745, 512-5557821. James.Reynolds@example.com. Now let's break it down. Start with your full name at the top. This is essential so the employer knows exactly who the letter is from. Next, include your full address. This is important, especially if you're applying to a local restaurant and they need to know if you're in the area. Your phone number should be easy to find so they can quickly contact you for an interview. Your email address should be professional. Avoid casual emails like chefking99@email.com. Instead, use something simple like firstname.lastname@email.com. This section makes sure your contact information is clear and accessible so the hiring manager can easily reach out to you. Step 2. Adding the date. Next, you'll add the date you're sending the letter. In our sample, we have March 30th, 2025. Always write the full date in the month, day, year format. This keeps your letter looking professional and well organized. Step 3. Employer's contact information. Now, you need to address the letter to the correct person or establishment. Here's what it looks like. Restaurant manager, Blue Horizon Bistro, 7398 Sunset Boulevard, Austin, Texas, 78701. This part is important because it ensures your letter reaches the right person. If you know the name of the hiring manager, use it. For example, Mr. David Patterson, Chef Emily Carter. If you don't know their name, you can simply write restaurant manager, which is what we did here. Including the restaurant's full address also helps, especially if it's a large establishment with multiple locations. This section shows that you're attentive and professional, which is key in the culinary industry. Step 4. Writing the subject line. A subject line makes it clear and easy for the hiring manager to understand why you're writing. In our example, we use subject, application for chef position. A good subject line should be short and direct. Don't overcomplicate it. Clearly state the job title. This makes it easier for the employer to know what position you're applying for. Professional. No unnecessary words or exclamation marks. If you're sending your application via email, this subject line can also be used as the email subject. Step 5. The salutation, greeting the hiring manager. Now it's time to start the actual letter. We begin with, Dear Hiring Manager. This is a polite and professional way to address the person reading your letter. If you know their name, always use it. For example, Dear Chef Patterson, Dear Mr. Anderson. If you don't know their name, Dear Hiring Manager is a safe and respectful choice. A well-placed salutation helps you start the letter on a professional and friendly note. Step 6. Writing the opening paragraph. Introducing yourself. Now, let's start the main part of the letter. Our sample begins with, I'm excited to apply for the chef position at Blue Horizon Bistro. With over 8 years of culinary experience in high-paced kitchens, I have developed a deep passion for creating exceptional dishes that delight customers. I'm eager to bring my creativity, leadership, and dedication to your esteemed restaurant. Let's break this down. Start with enthusiasm. Show excitement about the job you're applying for. Mention your years of experience. This helps the employer immediately understand your level of expertise. Highlight your passion for cooking. Employers love hiring chefs who genuinely enjoy their craft. Show confidence in your skills. Mention creativity, leadership, and dedication. This introduction sets a strong and engaging first impression. Step 7. Showcasing your experience and skills. Next, you need to prove that you're the right fit for the job. Here's how our sample does it. In my current role as a sous chef at the Oakwood Grill, I manage a team of kitchen staff, oversee food preparation, and design seasonal menus that enhance the dining experience. My expertise in sourcing high-quality ingredients, maintaining kitchen efficiency, and ensuring compliance with food safety regulations has contributed to increased customer satisfaction and restaurant success. Additionally, my ability to work well under pressure and adapt to changing menus makes me confident in handling the fast-paced environment at Blue Horizon Bistro. Mention your current role. This helps employers see what level you're at. Talk about leadership. Managing a team shows you can handle responsibility. Describe your skills. Menu creation, food safety, and handling pressure are all great qualities. Show confidence. Restaurants want chefs who can adapt and thrive in busy environments. This paragraph proves your value to the restaurant. Step 8. Expressing interest in an interview. Now, let's wrap things up with a strong closing paragraph. I would welcome the opportunity to further discuss how my culinary skills and leadership experience align with your restaurant's vision. Please feel free to contact me at your convenience to arrange an interview. Express interest in an interview. This encourages the employer to take the next step. Mention how your skills align with their needs. This shows you're a great fit. Politely invite them to contact you. This makes it easy for them to respond. Step 9. Closing the letter professionally. Now we end the letter with, "Thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to the possibility of joining your team." Always thank the reader. This shows professionalism. Show excitement for the next steps. It leaves a positive impression. And finally, we sign off with, "Sincerely, James Reynolds." Use a professional closing like, "Sincerely. Best regards. Respectfully." Include your name to personalize it. And that's how you write a chef job application letter. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching Writing Tutorials. See you in the next video.